What's going on, everybody? It is 8 p.m., so I'm going to go ahead and get started on this breaking process since we've got a lot going on tonight. First break of the night is 3 hobby boxes of Stadium Club Chrome Baseball. This is one of my favorite products. I love the art on Stadium Club, and I love cards with a chrome finish, so it's kind of a perfect mix. This is 1 autograph per box. We're looking for some parallels too. In fact, I think the parallels might be the more promising cards from a retail and enjoyment standpoint. So let's get to it. I've got the names here, so I'm going to go ahead and randomize. And we're going to do this 7 times. If you're new here, I'm going to run through all the names in the chat and verbally. This is 6 and this is 7. Paste in here. All right. So Jenna's got the Diamondbacks. Michael M has the Braves and the Orioles. Jared P has the Red Sox. Michael M has the White Sox. John B has the Cubs. Samuel F has the Reds. Michael M has Indians and Rockies, and Tigers as well. Sean E has the Astros. Michael M has the Royals. Andrew R has the Angels. James M has the Dodgers. Eric K has the Marlins. Jen's got the Brewers. Michael M's got the Twins and Yankees and Mets. Jared P's got the A's and the Phillies. John B has the Pirates. Michael M has the Padres. Al has the Giants. Matt W has the Mariners. Michael M has the Cardinals and Rays. Thomas J has the Rangers. Jenna has the Jays, and Samuel's got the Nats. So best of luck to everyone. I'm pretty excited about this break. I think it's really good looking product, so let's not waste any time here. Yeah, I'm excited to have all of you here. Get started. And these are some really thick cards. This is pretty impressive. Got Ted Williams. Got an Alek Manoah rookie. Marco Gonzalez. Leody Taveras rookie. And not sure why this Will Smith is backwards. I wonder if it's a variation or if I'm gonna look at the card codes in the back real quick. Nope. So, believe that's just a regular base card. Got a Yelich Beam Team refractor. Let's go on this Vets Brent Rooker rookie. Kent Emanuel rookie, Johnny Bench, and an Andrew Benintendi refractor. J.P. Crawford's a nice looking image there. Zach McKinstry for the Dodgers. And we have a Stadium Club Retro Parallel of Garrett Cole. It's a refractor. Not numbered or anything. This should be a decently quick break compared to... There's Casey Mize. Compared to the regular Stadium Club. Because that was a lot more cards. Chris Bubic refractor. That's a rookie. Hoskins, Muncy, Josh Hader, Erod. Dalton Varsho rookie. Then a Mike Piazza. Edward Alvarez rookie. Got a Beam Team refractor of Bryce Harper. There's a lot more cards in the regular Stadium Club product. And to make things worse when it comes to that, they can also take forever to peel off. Hope it's not our autograph there. Here's Dylan Carlson. Rookie card there for the Cardinals. That's not good. Jared Oliva rookie card. VR Jose Abreu refractor. Garrett Crochet. Julian Mayweather rookie card. Jorge Mateo rookie. And there's our autograph, and it's not a bad one. Tanner Hook for the Boston Red Sox. That's a sweet image right there, too. That's going to Jared. Congrats, Jared. Nice pull there. Stadium Club. Not had the best experience with autographs, but with this Chrome version, it seems to be a lot better. I'm gonna have to use a thick case for now and find a better one in a bit. Randy Johnson refractor. These cards are a bit too thick to go into a normal top loader, unfortunately. It's a nice looking Ortiz photo. Andrew Young rookie. Christian Javier rookie, and a Jacob deGrom refractor there. Nice Griffey card. Goldschmidt. They have some nice Beam Team card. Jarred Kelenic for the Seattle Mariners. That is a rookie card. I'm not sure he did a whole lot of special things this rookie season, but we'll take it. Hopefully he lives up to his hype and that card looks awesome in the future. Sean Manaea as, I don't know, he's trying to be Jason Momoa there or something with Aquaman. Yerman Mercedes rookie card. Brent Rooker. Dylan Bundy refractor. One more packs to go in hobby box number 1. Another Rosarena card. There's a nice one. Juan Soto with the retro parallel refractor for the Nats. It's not bad to get some fan favorites in this product. Soto is definitely one of those. Another Olivares rookie. Tony Gwynn, and we got a Beam Team of Juan Soto as well. James Brilliant rookie card. Here's McGuire, some duplicates, and we got I guess it's a crystal ball. Vlad Guerrero refractor. Yep, that's a nice looking card right there. Last pack of box number 1. Mitchell White rookie card, Muncy, Manny Ramirez, and then we got a Spencer Howard rookie refractor. Didn't know Manny was in this product. Don't recall him from this one. Still not a bad box with the autograph and the Kelnick Beam Team card. It's Ichiro. Huascar Anoa. It's a rookie card. DeGrom. And yep, we got a red. Got a little speck on it too. Gosh, these cards always get specs from the packs. It is Logan Gilbert. Got a pretty solid rookie campaign, and it is a red refractor. Looks like 4 out of 5, and that's going to Matt W. Congrats, Matt. That is a pretty sweet hit there. I asked for color and we got a really low number card. Gilbert had a pretty solid rookie season. Wouldn't say necessarily spectacular, but still has some potential. And you gotta be on the lookout for short prints as well. There's a Mike Trout. Tucker Davidson rookie there as well. Tristan McKenzie rookie card. There's Javi Baez. Scherzer in the Dodgers uniform. Baez in the Mets. Beam team of Cody Bellinger. Is a little bit like a Stadium Club Chrome update with the updated player photos. This is another Noah rookie card. There's Javier Baez with the retro parallel. Oh wow. This is a Wave Refractor of Alex Bregman, retro. I imagine it might be pretty hard to find. I have to look that up, but that's a pretty sweet card there. VR Refractor of Tyler Glasnow. Alejandro Kirk rookie. There's a nice one. Alex Kirilloff Crystal Ball Refractor for the Minnesota Twins. So this box has been a lot more interesting than the first one. Okay, it makes me wonder what the autograph's going to be, but we'll see. Cronenworth rookie. And there it is. Rafael Marchand of the Philadelphia Phillies. It is a parallel, and it is numbered out of 25. I can't tell. I think it's 2 out of 25. Not super familiar with him. I know he's not a big name, but nice low numbered card to get there. And we got a Bobby Dahlbeck refractor as well. Rookie card for the Red Sox. So Red Sox doing pretty good in this break. Jordan Weems rookie. Braylon Marquez rookie. It's another Babe Ruth. Beam team of Alex Bregman and a Drew Rasmussen rookie card for the Rays. Double E-Rod there, a refractor and a base. Millie Gurriel, James Karinchak, another Scherzer, another Braylon Marquez rookie. Got a Bo Bichette retro refractor as well. Really nice image there. Trey Turner in Dodgers uniform, Rizzo in a Yankees uniform. Got Willie Mays here, Pedro, Matt Olson refractor there at the end. So a few new veteran names. I don't believe I remember Pedro in the regular Stadium Club from this year. Jacoby Jones. Justin Williams rookie, and we got a Kelnick retro parallel refractor. So that's a solid hit there. Ha-Sung Kim. Just a Sheffield refractor. Last pack of box number 1. Khalil Lee rookie. And we've got a beam team of Alec Baum of the Philadelphia Phillies. So that's a solid rookie card to get. And last box. Pack number 1 of box 3 here. Deion Sanders, Reggie Jackson, Will Craig, Julian Mayweather, Isaac Paredes rookie, and Keston Hiura refractor. Nate Pearson rookie. Beam team rookie card of Christian Pache for the Braves. Nick Maton, Will Craig, Tariq Skubal rookie card. That's a Tyler Stevens rookie card there as well. Skubal, probably, yeah, that's a refractor there. Greg Maddux, Aaron Judge retro refractor. Bregman retro refractor. Keegan Thompson rookie. Mitch White rookie. There's a Josh Fleming rookie refractor. Beam Team refractor of Mike Trout. Oop. DJ Peters rookie. Beam Team of Bo Bichette. Tucker Davidson rookie, Owen Diaz rookie, Garrett Whitlock, retro refractor of Clayton Kershaw, Hassan Kim, Tanner Houck. There's a Beam Team wave refractor of Pete Alonso. That's a pretty nice card there. And a Joe Adell crystal ball rookie as well. So a very solid pack there. We got 4 packs to go. Still waiting on the autograph. Rasmussen rookie. Jorge Ona. That's a refractor, ring refractor. 3 packs left. Trey Mancini. Garrett Whitlock. German Mercedes. There's a Shohei Ohtani refractor. Christian Javier, Luis Patino, Tanner Houck, Matt Olson VR. And this situation kind of worries me. I hope I didn't miss the autograph, but it kind of worries me if we're going to get snubbed on one. Jared Olivo, nope, it's there. And it is Zach Birdie of the Chicago White Sox. So, a reliever hit. That's going to Michael M. Congrats, Michael. Not the biggest hit in the world, but still nice to get an autograph. It's a refractor, not numbered. Make sure nothing else big was in there. No, it's Jared Lewa. Hey, Al, sorry about the delay there. Sent out an email to everyone. Hope you got it about the break time change. Or break day, rather. So yeah, pretty solid break. I think lots of interesting refractors all around. Really like the Logan Gilbert. Probably the most. That's probably the hit of the break, but there's a lot of good refractors that were in there as well. So hopefully most everybody got some decent rookies here. So there were some pretty solid pulls. Those crystal ball inserts are really nice as well. Yeah, thanks for joining, everybody. Sorry for those who missed out on an autograph or any big hits, but hopefully we'll get them next time. Our next baseball break is on Thursday. We got 2020 and 2021 Ben Ballard Chrome. So one of each year, hobby boxes. So I'm a big fan of the design personally, so it should be a pretty fun break. If you're not subscribed to the email list, go ahead and do that and use the coupon code THANKFUL at checkout, and you'll get 25% off your entire purchase with no minimum requirement. So for those who just joined for the baseball break, thanks for joining, and we will see you next time, hopefully on Thursday. Take care.